So this is the wig, that is the cap construction, and we're going to put the wig on. It is transparent. How beautiful is this? And it fits so well, it's so snug on my head that no wind or nothing is going to make this wig come off. It's just so beautiful. And the length itself is incredibly manageable, which I think is another plus. Here is this stunning human hair wig. Because it's that good, and because it does resemble the same texture as my own bio hair, the gorgeous brunettes in there, you've got the warm auburn browns, you've got the really icy blondes in there, and of course as well, you do have a lovely darker root, which again gives you that natural look. The ear tabs on both sides have this fabric that is so incredibly soft that when I wear the wig, it doesn't feel itchy, and I don't feel like I have the urge to just take it off and scratch my head and just feel like that freedom. You do have the adjustable straps at the back, and again, you have this soft textured fabric. So what I'm going to do now, I think I'm going to go and curl it again,